Today is all about our Petit and our Grand Allegro work. So our Petit Allegro is traditionally our little jumps. They really are taking everything that we've worked at the bar and everything that we did during our adage. We're applying all that technique now, and we're getting our body really moving again at this point. This should also be your time to really work in preparation for your Grand Allegro. When you go to jump, you want to make sure that you're really feeling the elasticity in your limbs as you go to leave the floor and as you go to land. You want to really feel your feet make a really solid connection to the ground, so that way you use this as your preset, in essence, like I said, for your Grand Allegro, where you're more inclined to hit the ground really hard. This should be your time to soften all of that up. So temps levés, sautés, you really want to work extra hard on those to make sure that you're melting all the way up and down with every jump. That's going to be your golden ticket for the Grand Allegro, when you need to be able to melt with a lot more force hitting the ground. That's going to be your precursor for being able to do that demi-plie and really have all of your joints and muscles pliable. When we get to the Grand Allegro part, that is going to be where we're doing everything super big. This is your final build-up at the end of your classes typically, where you have now done all of your bar, you've practiced your adage work, you've done your Petit Allegro to set you up. You should have your alignment where it all belongs. You should be thoroughly stretched out. You should be nice and perfectly warmed up at this point. So you should be able to apply all of that to your Grand Allegro work. You're now taking all of the force to lift. You're taking all of the control in your body to do your plies and control the landing. Your Allegro work really pushes you to the limit of how much you're training in your classes, and they tie everything together. Like I've said before, the more you see how everything relates throughout class, the easier your life as a dancer will become. Also understanding the difference between your Petit Allegro work and your Grand Allegro work, and how the two are very different but very advantageous for each other, really will help. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about some of our parallel alignment in the world of jumps. I will see you then.